Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing of a new company, Paintsomeway. They contacted me, they told me to choose some products, so I did, and here we are. Let's get on it. Let's get started. They are all special drills, all of them, okay? I love special drills. I'm liking it more, every time more. Yes, Mickey. Mickey's on the house. How's everybody doing? Let's get on with the first one, okay? Neat. We have the usual, the standard toolkit, right? With the bolt and wax and single place of pen. We got the drills, which we're gonna see them, and these are 30 by 30. They're quickie. This one is partial. And I like it because it kind of have a southwestern theme. This one has 8 colors. This should be a quickie one. Here it is. Let's see the glue. Yep, and the glue is where it should be, not outside. As you can see, it's not outside. It is what it should be. Here it is, a nice one with feather, some symbol. I found it curious. That's why I picked these ones up, because they turn out to be nice. Take a look at this. Take a look at the colors. Take a look at the form, the geometry of it. I want to try the special drills in this company. These are pretty. It's gonna have some rhinestone quite a bit and some other special drills. So let's take a look at them. Let me turn it upside down. Like I say, it has 8 colors. So let's get started. Let me get closer. Maybe we need another light, because even though I had daylight, but it's about to be gone. Yeah, that's about it. This is a good one. I'm trying to move my lights a little bit, avoid the shadows. Here they are. We got some beautiful rhinestone, shiny, a good back. Let's see if we capture if the camera will focus. Yep. Take a look at this one. The back. Seems like it's a little dust in the package, but all you have to do is use a wipe and put it in, or you can wash them and then put it in. I'd rather put them in the canvas and then wipe them out. Brings out the shine. Here is some of the big ones. Here is some of the special shape. And some white ones, medium size. This special shape is faceted. So that's a neat one. From Paintsomeway. Let's put it back, because these ones are easy to put back. Okay, 265 is the number in the package, and there is case 265 in the canvas. Okay, so let's put this one aside. Let's go to the next one. Again, the same story. It's a 30 by 30. This one has 6 colors, and it seems like they're pretty big. It's a partial. You only drill the picture on here. Again, and the canvas has some sparkle on it. Let's see if you can see them. Yeah, it has some sparkle on it, the canvas. It says color, also Southwestern style. It caught my eye. These ones, they caught my eye. So let me put this aside. Over here, look at this pretty one. It's a partial, only the areas with the number, because not even here. Over here is clean, no glue, only on the numbers. It would be interesting to know this is K269. K269. They have various styles in terms of this. So let's see. This one only has 6, so it should be no problem. Take a look at this. I like the fact that the flat back, I don't see any indent or any scratch on it, and that's a good thing because you take less time. Take a look at these ones, these blue ones. Take a look at these blue teardrop faceted. We got some medium white ones, regular drills. And we got these ones in purple. Only 6 colors. That's neat. That means that you finish very quickly. Very, very quickly on this one. From Paintsomeway. Let's see this one. The next one. Again, the standard toolkit, which you can do this. This one's gonna have 6 colors too, and it's also a Southwestern style. It has some blue on it, some nice fan. I can't wait to do these ones. Only 6 colors. Again, it's a partial, a 30 by 30. No glue outside the area, so it should be easy. I like this style. Very curious about it. I'm very, very curious about it. This one should go quickly. Here they are. I'm liking these. The bag is a little dirty, but I like the fact that the rhinestones are not scratched, so that's not a deal break. You know, you can always clean it up with a wipe when you put them in the canvas before you seal them. And take a look at this one. Front and back, there is no scratch. I like these ones too. These golden marquee. And take a look at this one with an AB effect and faceted with the AB effect. Forget it, that's gonna be a lot of colors in there. And the big rhinestones in blue, and you can see there is no scratch on them. I have not find any scratch on any of these ones whatsoever. And that's the way it should be. Good job, Paintsomeway. Good job. And here it is, one more time. And with this one, it's only 3 of them. With this one, we say good night. Hope you have a great week. Hope you had a great weekend. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below which one you would like me to start first. Okay? We're probably gonna do them before that. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.